CW Systems has designed a cutter headset that installs on a standard wood shaper. The cutter headset is a 7-piece stack of balanced carbide-tipped blades that makes the process of preparing your pre-laminate a quick and easy task. The cutter headset installs on your shaper just like any set of blades would. The set is designed to work on a 1 1/4 inch spindle. When installing your cutter headset, keep in mind that not all of the blades are used in every case. The first blade you install will be selected from one of 2 interchangeable blades. If your cut dimensions call for a radius corner cut, choose the interchangeable blade that has a bevel corner at the top of its cutting surfaces. If your cut dimensions call for a 90-degree corner cut, install the interchangeable blade that has a straight cutting angle. After selecting one of the 2 corner cutting blades, the remaining blades always stack the same. Slide the second blade over the corner cut blade. Your cutter headset comes with 2 kerfing blades because these wear out at about twice the rate of the larger blades. Set aside one of the 2 kerfing blades as a spare and install only one. Now install the 4th blade. Locate and install the shim between the 4th and 5th blades. Finally, install the 5th blade and tighten down the assembly. And that's all there is to it.